Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction on the basis of the experiments which he conducted, right? So first thing is that an induced EMF and an induced current is produced in a closed circuit whenever flux, that is magnetic flux, linked with it changes. So what is the result of the first law? First law says that whenever there is a change in flux, then there will be a production of induced EMF, and if the circuit is closed, then there will be a production of induced current, right? So first law gives the requirement of the change in magnetic flux for the production of induced current. So you can just write it in short. It simply gives the requirement of change in flux for production of induced current. And what is the second law? Second law gives the magnitude of the induced EMF produced. It says, we can simply write, it gives the of the induced EMF produced in a circuit whenever flux linked with it changes, right? So the formula is d phi upon dt, right? And then Lenz was the person who performed an experiment, and he also gave another law which is also a law of electromagnetic induction. So we will just write that law over here, and then after we'll study about the experiment which he conducted. So third is actually Lenz's law. It gives the direction of the induced EMF. Okay, so it gives the direction of the induced EMF produced whenever flux linked with a circuit changes, right? So it states that the direction of induced EMF is such that, I'll explain that again, that the direction of induced EMF is such that it opposes the cause which produces it. It opposes the cause which produces it, right? So according to this, what will be the formula for induced EMF? This will be written as minus d phi by dt, and I forgot to write the statement for the second law. I'll just write it here. The induced EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change of magnetic flux, right? So this is about Lenz's law, and we will discuss this Lenz's law using his experiment. Okay, so for that we will discuss that in the next slide, next video. Thank you. That's all for now. Thank you.